In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a live viewer count in OBS Studio so your audience can see how many people are watching your stream in real time. Whether you're streaming on Twitch or YouTube, adding a viewer count makes your stream look more professional and interactive. I'll walk you through everything step by step, from getting the correct URL to adding it inside OBS and positioning it perfectly on your screen. Make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more OBS and streaming tutorials. Let's get started. The first step is getting the correct viewer count URL from your streaming platform. If you're streaming on Twitch, head over to twitch.tv and log into your account. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and go to your creator dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on Stream Manager. Here, you'll see different panels that control your stream information. Look for the Viewer Count panel. On that panel, click the three dots in the top corner. From the drop-down menu, select Pop Out. This will open the viewer count in a separate browser window. Once it pops out, simply copy the URL from the address bar at the top of your browser. This is the link we'll paste into OBS. If you're streaming on YouTube, the process is slightly different because YouTube doesn't provide a direct pop-out viewer count link. Instead, you'll need to use a third-party service like streamelements or streamlabs. Log into your streamelements or streamlabs dashboard. Once you're inside, navigate to your widgets section and find the viewer count widget. Add the widget to your overlay if you haven't already. After setting it up, the platform will generate a unique URL for that widget. Copy that unique URL because that's what we'll use inside OBS Studio. Now that you have your viewer count URL copied, open OBS Studio. In OBS, look at the Sources dock, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Click the plus button to add a new source. From the list that appears, select Browser. A new window will pop up asking you to name the source. Name it something clear, like Viewer Count, so you can easily identify it later. Then click OK. In the Browser Source Properties window, you'll see a field labeled URL. Paste the viewer count URL you copied earlier into this box. Below that, you'll see options for width and height. You can start with something like 200 by 100 pixels, but this depends on your widget design. If your viewer count looks cut off, you can increase these numbers until it fits properly. Once you've adjusted the size, click OK. You'll now see a red transform box appear on your OBS canvas. Click and drag it to position your viewer count wherever you want on the screen. Most streamers place it in a top or bottom corner, so it doesn't block important content. You can also resize it by dragging the corners of the red box to make it larger or smaller. Take a moment to preview your stream and make sure everything looks clean and readable. And that's it! You've successfully added a live viewer count to OBS Studio. Now your audience can see your stream growing in real time, which can boost engagement and make your stream feel more dynamic. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more streaming and OBS guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.